Tea kettle whistling teapot 3.3 QT stainless steel hot water teapot for all stovetops, 2 free infusers included. These high-grade tea kettles boast a sleek, distinctive profile that would look good on any stovetop or kitchen countertop. Mirror finish in black squeeze and pour spout lever is incorporated right into the PP touch handle. These high-grade tea kettles boast a sleek, distinctive profile that would look good on any stovetop or kitchen countertop. These kettles feature a stay-cool handle and drip-free spout that makes pouring easy. Rust-resistant, ensuring you drink safe and healthy water every day. You can use this tea kettle for a long time and still retains its good quality. Conveniently boils water right on the countertop for use throughout the day, perfect for anything from coffee, tea, or hot cocoa to instant soup or noodles. Prime quality with FDA-approved stainless steel, very perfect for any heat source including gas, electric, induction, halogen, and radiant stoves. Holds 14 cups of water. 3.3 quart large capacity, can make tea with your entire family and your friends. The loud whistle guaranteed you can hear it from another room when the water is boiled. Durable and surgical whistling teapot with kitchen-grade stainless steel. It is strongly rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant. Also, 100% Teflon-free, FDA-approved and BPA-free. Unlike other cheap, lower-quality, lightweight tea kettles that use just 1 or 2 layers, the Sutek tea kettle is made using multi-layers of 18/10 culinary-grade stainless steel. Even heat transfer with its aluminum-formed capsule bottom that heats up quickly. Less waiting and a more efficient tea or coffee brewing experience for you.